Hi guys, happy new year and welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time stopping by, hello, thank you for joining the family. Today we're going to be reviewing, I don't know, I always do this dance every single time I'm about to say we're going to be reviewing a new week, but you guys already get the gist. I think this dance is part of our intro now, I don't know, but anyways, today we're going to be checking out a new wig. The wig that I have to show you guys today is from Sensationnel. It's from their What List collection, and I have her in the style Latisha, and I have her in the color 1. This unit was sent to me from our good friends from SAMSBEAUTY, and yeah, let's just see what we have. And did I mention that I got her in the color 1? I think so. And I already mentioned that her name is Latisha as well, right? Yeah, so let's just get right into it without talking too much. So this unit claims to have a 13x6 ear to ear with 6 inches deep hand tied parting area, and it's supposed to be pre-plucked, natural density, undetectable, flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hairs along the hairline. So this is what the stock card looks like, and this unit also comes in other colors as well. I'm going to have the direct link to the unit in my description box. So yeah, let's just get right into it. That's pretty much all that we have in the stock card. We're just going to get right into her. This is what she looks like straight out of the pack, and she comes with 2 combs in front and 1 comb by the back, and of course our adjustable straps. And this unit comes with baby hairs as well. So yeah, we're just going to get right into styling and we'll see what we have. Alright guys, so this is what we have after styling, and can we get into these curls? Can you guys see what I'm seeing? The curls in this unit is so beautiful, you guys, and I didn't have to brush her to get her this full. This unit comes this full. All I did was just brush the front a little bit, but I didn't do anything to the back because I definitely want to keep the curls in this unit, at least for now. I might end up brushing it later, but right now I want these curls because what is this gorgeousness? This is so cute, you guys, and it was so easy to style. I didn't have to do too much. All I did was just go in with my powder and my foundation, and then I used my iron to, of course, press it down. And you guys, this is what we have. She's so cute. And I didn't experience no shedding or tangling with this one, but of course I wouldn't expect to experience shedding or tangling since I didn't really brush the unit and I didn't also run my fingers through the curls. And yeah, now is the time to switch to a right part. Of course, we have to try her out as a right part. Alright you guys, and this is her style to the right. And do I need to say too much at this point? I don't even think I need to talk because she definitely came to steal the show. Can you guys see this gorgeousness? Can you guys see this gorgeousness? What a way to start 2021, sis. What a way. This is so cute. Like, I'm obsessed with this one. Love, love, love this unit. You guys, this one is definitely worth your coins. This unit retails for $59.99 on Sam's Beauty's website. I'm going to have the direct link in the description box. And just in case you're wondering how long she is, I'm 5'6" for reference, and this is how long she is, right above my waist right here. And at this point and at this moment, you already know we have to give her the crown that she deserves, because why not? Why not? It's a look, baby. This one right here, gorgeous. And yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say about this one. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I said that twice already. Anyways, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, share with your family. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.